Hi, my name is Joshua, and today, I'll tell you everything you need to know about the Ultimate Energizer Guide before actually buying the program. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about the Ultimate Energizer Guide is, be careful with the website you're going to buy, because the Ultimate Energizer Guide is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. So what is the Ultimate Energizer Guide, and does it actually work? And the answer is yes, the Ultimate Energizer Guide works. The Ultimate Energizer Guide is a digital guide that entails techniques that can be applied to lower the cost of energy bills. It has step-by-step information on building a portable device to generate enough energy for your home. The resource book was created by someone who saw the need to explore technology and cut down power consumption expenses by up to 70%. The creator believes that people don't have to spend millions to get the concept of creating the device. With the knowledge in his book, anyone can build a personal electric generator. The instructions in the Ultimate Energizer Guide are simple and comprehensive to be implemented by anyone who wants to become free of the high cost of electricity. The generator can be used for both domestic and commercial purposes. The device can produce power for any household appliances, such as lamps, toasters, refrigerators, AC units, etc. The generator is environment-friendly and requires less maintenance. The Ultimate Energizer Guide is based on research inspired by ancient naval technology. The book lists all the tools and equipment needed to bring back the ancient forgotten invention. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with the Ultimate Energizer Guide, and you can have results as well. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test the Ultimate Energizer Guide for 60 full days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give your money back. So, I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy the Ultimate Energizer Guide, and also, if you do buy the product, enjoy all the wealth of information, take it seriously. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that the Ultimate Energizer Guide helps you a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this program promotes.